Hello guys and welcome to another episode of FPL Scanner, only on Mavzone Sports. I will be discussing my transfers for Game Week 22 today and also giving you some tips which might benefit your team. So without any delay, let's begin. We have some notable starts for Game Week 21 with 3 players scoring 15 points each in this week. Most importantly, Salah was on the scoring sheet. I rue missing this wonderful chance which would have added some much needed points to my team. Well, at least I had the second star of the week as well, as Benford also picked up some goals in the victory over Leicester. Elsewhere, Chelsea's Cesar Azpilicueta secured a goal to pick up 15 points. The final outcome for Game Week 21 for my team was 62 points added and a jump in the leaderboard. Cheers to some more exciting times ahead. Game Week 22 will be played during the midweek starting today. In fact, within a few hours. So we don't have any time to waste. I am predicting West Ham, Manchester United and Newcastle to come out on top in their respective fixtures. The remaining games will be played tomorrow and the day after, and my pick of the teams include City, Leeds, Villa and Liverpool. Also consider Tottenham to have the upper hand in the game against Chelsea. So, for this week again, for the second time in a row is West Brom midfielder Matthias Pereira. Expect to get some decent returns from this lad. Newcastle striker Callum Wilson also had a good day at the office in Game Week 21 and he is the favourite to score again against Palace. Leeds midfielder Rafinha is finally showing what makes him special. He is certainly the most informed player in Leeds, of course after Bamford. I should have kept him in my team and waited a while longer so that I could have added those extra points. But then there's no point in considering that now. Picking the captain for Game Week 22 might sound easy when Salah was the best player in the last week. But then every week is a new week and we are spoiled for choices when it comes to selecting the right man for the job. I guess it has to be between Salah, Sterling or Fernandes. Sterling may benefit from the absence of Aguero in the lineup, whereas Fernandes has shown so far that he is not to be taken lightly. Now, for some news on the injury front. Arsenal are missing their left back Kieran Tierney due to an injury. Lacazette had a nasty fall in the game against United and is undergoing tests for a suspected head injury. He is doubtful for the Gunners' next game against Wolves. Patrick Bamford was the star of Game Week 21 for Leeds but might miss out on the next game due to a dead leg. We might have to wait until the lineup is announced to know if he is featuring in the game against Everton. Sadio Mane is also injured and will not play this game week. I guess this is not a big concern as his ownership in the Fantasy Premier League is quite low. Tottenham fullback Sergio Reguilon will also be missing out in the game against Chelsea. Now, it's time for me to make my transfers. After 2 consecutive weeks of double transfers, I have decided to go back to the solo transfer and conserve some points in the process. I find Romain Saïss to be suffering from a long-term injury and need someone to look after the defensive spot of my lineup. Looking at the fixtures, I have decided to go for the Manchester United right back Wan-Bissaka. He is the second top scoring defender for United after Maguire and gets my vote of approval to feature in my squad. After careful analysis of whom to pick as my captain between Fernandes and Salah, I have decided to go with Salah. I guess that's what most of you would be doing as well. I will wrap up today's episode at this. Please support my channel to grow by subscribing. You can also find my channel by typing in Mavzone Sports. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon.